Welcome to another edition of When Will It Burst? A little fun while we learn about fluid systems. Today we're going to look at Swagelok's unique PTFE hose. And then we're going to burst some and see if you can guess when will it burst. But first, let's look at the results of last week's rubber hose burst. In our last video, we talked about rubber hose end connections, and hose clamps. Then we installed Swagelok PB series rubber hose using Swagelok PB push-on hose end connections into our burst chamber and began to pump. No matter how many times we burst it, the Swagelok PB hose end connections held to the burst pressure of the hose. And the winner of When Will It Burst rubber hose is Matthew S. of Waterloo, Ontario, Canada. One of the advantages of hose over tubing and pipe is its flexibility. Unlike the rigidity of tubing and pipe, it can be bent without the need of tube benders or additional fittings. Its flexibility makes installation easier in applications where length may be critical. Bending or looping it can help compensate if it is too long. However, even hose has its limits. Overbending it will put extra pressure on the connecting points, and it may even collapse and kink. This is especially the case with ordinary PTFE hose or other plastic core hose constructions. Fortunately, Swagelok is setting new standards in hose flexibility with its newer line of PTFE hoses. Our unique non-metallic fiber braiding technology gives the PTFE core greater resistance to collapsing and kinking when being bent. However, all hoses will eventually kink when bent beyond their minimum bend radius. So it is important to design your system with the hose's minimum bend radius in mind. But the braiding technology in Swagelok's PTFE hose, when combined with a 304 stainless steel overbraid, enhances its flexibility and kink resistance beyond ordinary PTFE hose, and results in an extremely flexible stainless steel braided PTFE hose. This added flexibility also decreases the hose's force to bend, which makes it easier to install and route in tight situations. And of course, PTFE is known worldwide as a very versatile material that works well in a variety of applications because of its chemical compatibility, wide temperature range, inertness, and cleanability. In today's video, we'll be bursting 1/2 inch Swagelok F-Series PTFE hose. This is the base hose in our newer line of PTFE hoses. It is constructed of a smoothbore PTFE core with a non-metallic fiber braid. It is not as flexible and kink resistant as our stainless steel braided PTFE hose, but for applications that need the flexibility of a hose, the benefits of PTFE, combined with a non-conductive and non-metallic braid, it is an excellent choice. According to the Swagelok Hose and Flexible Tubing Catalog, this hose has a working pressure of 450 psig and a burst pressure of 1800 psig. Now that you know that important information, you're ready to guess when will it burst? Please put your best guess in the comment section below this video, blog, or social media post. And in the next video, we will reveal the actual burst pressure and the winner, along with another edition of When Will It Burst?